How to use the Miller Inspection Guide. The Miller Inspection Guide can be used as a valuable tool for our customers to properly take care of their Miller products on and off the worksite. Proper care of your Miller product is invaluable to everyday safety on the job. The Miller Inspection Guide is broken up by products and their specific points of inspection. For harnesses, webbing, stitching, and steel hardware. Lanyards, including shock-absorbing, rope, web, and wire rope, webbing, stitching, and snap hooks. Shock absorbers, stitching, and loops and snap hooks. Synthetic rope, including twisted, braided, kern mantle, and polysteel. Wire rope lifelines, fittings, splices, and snap hooks. Ball limiters, including retracting and self-retracting, housing, brakes, and snap hooks. The Miller Inspection Guide also includes handy checklists for each specific point of inspection to make the process that much easier to keep track of.